let's go to the video.
No, you to shoot.
Samakuloka nukumsuzo.
Baba nimpumile ngaka ngathi sponsor Ramaphosa.
Ebafethu sicela nisize khona ulahlekelwe iNike. Sikobo ne. Wawuna mafika I1 2 3.
I think I found the missing perfume.
Ngithenke ngakhe samaphambi wakhe wanukumsuzo. Ngathi uphethe isisu asazi.
Amazinya khayela.
Start
Nice, Papa. I told you can eat more white with pap. Mix them together and make something like heritage pap more white something.
Hey man, that's gonna never shop like some Kulisi, aka Ish Para out the Fresh Boys, you know me. And you can see me, yeah man, it's
To 15K.
So guys, we're gonna like do rock paper scissors, yeah, to see who's the first.
Yeah, in fact, rock paper scissors.
Taking the control.
Okay, let's this side.
Sure.
shoot. And we're here with
Dope boy feed.
Dope Boy.
Yeah, dope boy.
Dope Boy.
Sure.
Damn, Dope Boy.
Oh, dope boy.
Hello.
Hello.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Karen. Smash.
Smash.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright. 360. Pass. Hello.
Hey, my feet are one standard.
Gankas.
Don't do it to other hands.
Hello.
Hello.
Karen.
Yeah.
Omuhle.
Thanks.
Smash.
Hello.
Alright. When come.
Sam.
Sam. Nah, fear. Smash. Hello.
Hi.
Alright. Nami Karen. 360. Oi.
Swap is a
Hello. Alright. Nami Karen. Hug. Smash. Hello. Alright. 360. Pass.
I just nigga came here to cool.
Alright. Nami Karen. Aicho wondile yo.
Wait, hands. When you're like, what can I say? Pinch your lips black. Do you think that's attractive? I'm just curious. I'm not saying it's not attractive, but for me, once you paint your lips black and stuff, I try my sister. Go find another nigga like me. But I know there ain't no one like me. So, it's try.
Sure, fish.
It's a special thing.
Shoot. We're here with
Melanin Barbie.
Melanin
Melanin is the skin pigment. To those who don't
Hello.
know, that makes your
What's
skin.
up?
Voice.
I'm being sharp.
I guess I like melanin.
Pass.
One.
Agangutazi, so it's a pass.
It's already.
Hello. What's up, Anna? Pass.
Yeah.
Movie.
Shit. I'm a sister. You can say I'm a man. I know. In fact, imagine this. You wake up, bad, pick your best outfit, then go to a smash up, then be told you're ugly. Consider that people's feelings. Yes, sir. So this nigga woke up, bathed, got some ice, you can carve, it's shining and stuff, got some ice. And then went to the smash up and now he's been told he's ugly. Now I can relate, my sister. I can see what you see.
Hello.
Wait, you see now, this guy's too ugly. You didn't make my camera fall. Shit. But friends, we can't be this old and still do smash up and stuff. When you're this old, you must be incorporated to do something. Do something about your life, my guy. Yeah, my guy, too old, my guy.
What's up?
Other than that, sports.
Pass.
That's a 75. Shit.
Like, He's too tall. Okay. You don't like tall niggas.
Wait. How they're gonna complain when you're short? So now they're complaining when you're tall, they say you're too tall. Females are weird. Females are weird.
Hello. What's up?
You like that?
That's really weird.
It's a smash.
Why?
Guys, no man. What happens to Kafiso? What happened to Kafiso's forehead? Who beat this nigga up then? Yes. Man, Kafiso njabu bana okushayina mancala. Who did you like this, my guy? Tell him I can pull up anytime, anywhere. My guy, you got something there. My guy. I feel they was to call up.
He's handsome.
He's handsome.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up? That means sharp.
Ne?
Smash.
Why?
Why?
Awazi. You said it.
Hands are weird.
Hello. Unjan. Sharp.
If you know what I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna put a picture of
Papa.
this is the end. Okay, now this is the picture of the
Hello.
Sure, homework.
Sharp. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Budiga Bab. This nigga looks like those niggas you will find in the corner selling broomsticks and what. So that nigga that just says, Aumbela. You tap, but those niggas selling corn. But those niggas that sell like scrap. What is it called? Metal. And my guy, let me not be. What they say? Homophobe. Homophobe. Xenophobic. That's the word.
Sharp. Pass. Why?
Why?
Oh, why?
Angaz.
My brother, you are simple.
Yeah, singasho singayibeka kanjalo.
Anything wrong?
Oh my God.
Hi, Angaz.
Guys, what are those shoes called? I'm gonna show them here. What are they called? Are they easy forms or what? Something I just can't like rock those knickers, those shoes and look now. It's someone it's really
Sure. Khuluma khuleke ngathi thukile man. Ngathuke
Tangtukana.
Yeah, khuluma into esenhlizweni.
Ayikho.
Ungasabi ngitshela.
Ayikho into engifuna. Danke.
You're here. Konje batheni boy bathi umulu ungameki lo ya. Umuntu wena mosibheki.
umuntu wena mosibhekile na Kagiso ngeke sidlule ngathi asizwa ngani uqeda ukubuza umjida never umbuzana ukuthi never. And the guy even said nah umphendula kanjani umfana kubuza ukuthi umubi uyibona umubi yini wena yeba umfana methu umubi yini wena mshaya lento shaya umfana okujwala amasemba ashaya.
Guys, this is your boy Trouble D. Shout out to Krudman Dev. Yeah, preach. Hello. Sharp.
Wena.
So what's this mission? Umncane kai.
We.
Amara pass. Yeah, pass.
Why?
Mncane.
Mike, bambele.
Hello. Sharp. Yo, anyashika bafit. The Air Force Leo Force.
My God, if you really go to a special place, make sure your shoes look good. Because those guys look at everything, bro. Oh. You will wear a Force, thinking it's an Air Force, then go to a special place, then be told that, nah, I see you on there, my God. It guy tick. Now, what do you think, my God?
I am losing, nothing personal.
Nothing personal.
I pass.
Because of the Air Force.
What's up? I'm not. Smash.
That's like,
Smash.
smash. Like
Smash.
Smash.
Wenzeni la?
Oh,
Smash.
flippy.
Ungambele so.
Oh, for no propose, let me hold it for you. You.
Bangasayenzi mistake ekhaya.
Man, sifike nini kubantu bakubo do? I fail the shit. Mara people bangaphinda bayenza mistake efana nawo.
Mna ndoni tapa mna smash.
That's what Sla, Nzala, bathe i-force. Mlandi, ngamyeki. Yeah. Hello guys, you're here with Black Barbie. Hello. Sharp. Uthi angichazi wena uyachaza wena.
Ngazi.
Awuchazi. Oh, nangari balloon mara. Buhle kanjani?
Yo.
Ay, guys. Hello. Family shop smash.
Smash.
Wena boleka bani impahla ke?
Seba, ukuthi ubole impahla adeva.
Hello. Smash. Alright. Family shop smash. Awungibheka kabuhlungu kanje ngathi uzonduma. Karo father of 3.
No homework.
Karo father of 3.
Hello.
No homework.
Shop smash. Smash.
Damn, you like that? From the bottom to the top. Type shit.
Yeah, with sugar teacher, I sugar na ko Facebook. Asiyenze. Yo, hello. What's up?
No sugar.
Unjela uthini ntwana? Oh, thosenzele inkinga bheka uvula ibakery, museum, neziwe endaweni e1 plus icrash utshela abantwana base crash ungazoza la. That's so magnificent, yo. As if you're brutalized by the ghost light in the lab.
Ay, shakuwa.
Belaki.
Type shit. Salambranga, yeah.
Hello. Okay. Hey, jethi ngikhohle SPCA. Ngithi uyabona, lingazoletha bochiwawa la.
SPCA is crazy, I never. Bro, let's have SPCA la. Amafit. Ngiyakuzwa lapho, ujob lapho.
Hello. Friend. Eish. Mara ngathi ngizodlula jo.
Why?
Awubheke ifoyet. Ukhomba ukuthi uthupha forward. Tell izinto zaphambili nje. Hello.
Abanga bajayela uboneka kanti igenda kamkhulisa uyiwe. Yakakhe uyiwe.
Yeah? Smash. What? But she's cute. She's cute. Okay.
Hello. Friend. Michelle. Smash. Hello. Ukraine. I'm Ukraine. Pass.
That's what?
My boy. Ukraine. Hey, Smash.
Smash.
Somebody uzongishaya.
Wash up.
Why is the blue
Hayi. Nganuko kwami ukubheka idombola ngithi yabona. Mara yena muhle ebusweni, ngazi ukuthi ngizothini. Hayi Smash.
Smash, what? Umnike mic.
Umsmashele ubuso bakhe.
Yeah, umzimba ngani idombola.
Like if you watch this whole video now,
Pass.
this
It's like I'm
video
judge.
be like on
Smash. Please relax. Come on.
apply.
Kiti shofere.
So yeah, man. Ofaka iphondo lengane nekhanda lakho.
This nigga Malia says,
Hey, Bo.
Pez.
One.
Fuck your pole. Ugqoka ama-success scale homework cancel cha king luthi manje king nje awaloha lulu homework nginjani apply me apply yay apply Aku plan nakahlangana. Tlhaka.
I'm not even sure
Ungilatila kusam jwa. Everything is wrong. Like everything is wrong. Like how everything is wrong. Like no ring when. Like dicheve, apuncheve. Like ukina ko tlhakuntsaka. Like nna ke be wena no ring. Pass. Askies relax content.
It's content. YouTube, just laugh like this.
How old
it's
are you?
content.
How old are you?
It's content.
Eh?
Old enough.
How old are you? Old enough kanjani?
It's a kid I have.
Okay, tlake mjaja according to my own masculinity. So smash.
First smash.
Like that.
Pass, what better kungar parachute up there? Yeah, pass. Hello.
I'm going to fast forward the video.
Ciao. Let's go her legs. How old are you?
18.
18. Are you sure? Let's go over there.
Shit, nah.
I went to slender too.
Chill. Fade. Like I won't even be able to finish the video, so I'm gonna do a part 2. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching. This is my new channel. Please make sure to hit that sub button, turn on notifications. We're on the road to 1K subs. Trying to prove what the haters wrong. You don't know if that's true. Yeah, it's not that if that's true. Just like, hi. Mali matota, udla mimi spoil khuluma landela inkomo zamadoda. Yo, bye YouTube. Yo, whoa, listen, ayy. Play my song, put a volume in place. Pushing P, you need to be fast. Nigga say he's leader text. Should he see he's running in your past?
So please, Saraka, whatever.